Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Today I am going to conduct an English language class for the student of class 2. Dear students, today's topic is lesson 19, exercise 1, 2, 3 CW, and I am also giving you exercise 2 homework. Now let's have a look. This is exercise 1. Dear students, today's topic is short form about short forms. Exercise 1. Short form you, they, are, we are, his, theirs. Okay. Your. Full form. You have, they are, we are, he is or has, he has, that's, that means that is, you are. Okay. This is exercise on short form while that means we usually use this short form while speaking. Okay. And go to exercise 2. Rewrite these sentences using short forms of the word in color. Okay. Number 1. I am an Indian. Number 2. They are my friends. What is Rina doing? That is my school. I cannot solve this problem. She will be in class 3 next year. Okay. In color, that means you have to rewrite. Rewrite means you have to write the full sentence. Okay. And using short forms, I am Indian. Okay. They are, that means they are my friends. What is horse Rina doing? That is, that's my school. I cannot, I can't solve this sum. She'll be in class 3 next year. Okay. That means this is long form and this is short form. Okay. Now go to exercise 4. Rewrite these sentences using correct long form of the words in color. Dear students, you have to rewrite, that means you have to write full sentence, okay, using correct long form. In question there is short form. Milind can't speak Hindi. Okay. Can't, that means long form will be cannot. Priya didn't eat anything. Okay. Didn't, long form will be did not. Priya did not eat anything. Okay. And number 3, Arif doesn't like ice cream. Doesn't, this is short form and long form. Arif does not like ice cream. Okay. Now for I don't know karate. Don't, you have to write do not. Don't, long form do not. Number 5, it's raining very heavily. Okay, it is raining very heavily. Number 6, horse the time. Okay, here there will be what is the time. Okay, dear students, at your home you will practice more and more, and I am also giving you homework. Exercise 2, you are requested to do this homework and submit. Okay, submit to our school. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.